Yeah. You made that noise like your palm does.
Hey, give me two, team. Get down. Get down, lean toward the middle. Good job, team. That's awesome. Now's the best time of the year to come rafting. Smaller crowds, a lot fewer kids. Schools are going back into session. So bring it on down to the Ocoee on Weekday. You'll enjoy much lower crowds and a lot more time to surf and play. If you're looking for more excitement, come on the weekend and book a full river trip. Those trips are 10 miles long, 5 miles of the class 4 and 5 miles of the class 3. But don't plan on doing the middle on the weekend with me, because I'll be busy doing full river trips, and middles are better during the week on weekdays. This channel is possible because of the supporters you're now seeing. Cut, let's try again. This channel was made possible by the wonderful super fans. These are their names. These are the people supporting this channel and its associated adventures during the not winter of 2022-2023. So if you want to join the list and make this happen, look at the URL. Come rafting with me. Those of you that make substantial donations, such as Ben Franklin's or Tecumseh Grants, will be listed right here. I really do appreciate you, and I appreciate you other viewers too, and Google Ads, because that buys the cameras and the other electronics necessary to make this channel happen. Love you much. Peace out till next time.